So today I'm going to show you how to send money on Chime, and we're going to be doing this on our iOS device in real time. You can see we're currently logged into our Chime account. We're currently also tabbed into the home page. This is where you should start up when you open up your account. Now, in order to pay anybody, there is the option over here on the middle section that says pay. It has the icon of two individuals. If we click over here, this is going to take you to your pay section. Now, there is a QR code that somebody can scan if they wanted to, but you can also just go the traditional route right over here, which is going ahead first and foremost by putting in the amount you want to send the person. Now, here is the big deal when it comes to Chime is the other person does not have to actually have a Chime account. And the way this works is whatever amount you choose to send them, whether it's through an email or through a phone number that you would plug in, they will get that link in that email or phone number, and then they will plug in their debit card information to have that money go into their debit card. It actually even shows you down here, right over here, you can see step by step on those same processes. There are no fees for them being able to put that money in the account. So all you got to do is plug in whatever amount you'd like, such as like $5 or whatever. Click on the pay option now. And then here it's going to ask if you'd like access from your contacts. I usually don't prefer this myself, but up here you can go and search by a couple of pieces like their email, their phone number, or even their Chime tag if they have one. But from here you can go ahead and just plug in their phone number and go through the next step. Now for our example, since we don't have our contacts open, once we fill out the entire email, which we decided to do, it's going to have us this option right over here to go ahead and click on that email that we typed up. And then it's going to ask you what this is for. You could do an emoji here if you want to, whatever you want to plug in. You can type in some information like YouTube. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and click on continue. Then it's going to have us do a quick review with the total dollar amount. Double check that the person's email or phone number is correct, and then where it's going to be pulled from, which is our Chime account, and it shows us our current balance of $10. If everything looks good here, you can go ahead and click on pay, and it'll send them that email or text link to go ahead and plug in their debit card information to then have that money pulled into their account. Now, a quick note as well, the other person, again, does need to have a form of a debit card to be able to have that money pulled over to them. After some time, if they don't claim that money will come back to you. Now, there is more to learn when it comes to utilizing Chime, and we got you covered. Check out our next video right over here on screen.